Ah, that needs to be cleaned. Much better. Well, winter is coming. As you can tell, the rains are here. It's dark and gray on the wet coast. And beekeeping season is coming to an end. And as a hopefully good beekeeper, that means it's time to get ready for the next season. What I've done now is I've taken off the top feeder. I've weighed the hive. It's coming in at about almost 60 kilograms, 130 odd pounds. And there's not much I can do for the ladies until next spring. So I'm gonna leave them alone. And any enthusiastic beekeeper is looking forward to the next season. Certainly I am. And it's when we use the winter months to take care of stuff to get ready for that season. So the first thing I'm gonna do today, show you how I clean my smoker. The smoker that I use is a really common design. They're everywhere. Your smoker probably looks like my smoker. And if it's the end of the season, your smoker probably looks like this inside. Lots of creosote and soot buildup in there. It doesn't affect the working of the smoker so much, but it's counterintuitive. Creosote can burn. If you get a really hot fire in here, that creosote can actually catch fire and just go wild. And you don't want to do that while you're smoking the hive. You could burn your bees. So the easiest thing to do is clean it. Or is it? Cleaning this stuff can be pretty difficult, but I've got a way that makes it super simple. And that is a torch. If you're methodical and careful, you can just use a propane torch to just burn the creosote out of there. It'll take you probably half an hour to do it. You want to be methodical because you don't want to get any heat on this side, because if your smoker is like my smoker, this is wood and this is either leather or some type of fake leather for the bellows. And I have a faster way of doing this that makes it come out pristine. And I'll show you. The first step is to unscrew these 4 wood screws there. They're Phillips head. They come undone very easy. You might have to wiggle the screwdriver a little bit to get in there because the body of the smoker's in the way, but it's no big deal. It'll take you a couple minutes. That's it. The bellows comes right off. So before I show you the way that I clean my smoker out, I just want to point out the obvious. You're literally playing with fire doing this. So you've got to assess whether this is right for you. There's heat involved, there's fire involved, there's gasoline and explosives, and, well, I'm just kidding about the gasoline and the explosives. But seriously, this is going to get really, really hot, and you want to do it in a safe way, in a safe place. You don't want kids and pets and whatever else running around while you do this, and you want to do it in a place that you can't set anything on fire because it's going to get really hot, but it works really, really well. The secret weapon is a bigger version of the handheld propane torch, also known as a tiger torch, or I don't know. You see these used all the time by guys working on roads, heating up the asphalt. This thing puts out a lot of heat. It'll take care of that in moments. And that's that. Let it cool off for a few minutes, and then I can shake out the ash, and it's as good as new. And that's it. As you can see, all the creosote is now turned to ash. You can give it a smack. Give it a quick kiss with a wire brush. And it's ready for next season. You get a little discoloration from the heat, but this is stainless steel. It's not going to affect it at all. Ready to go. Look at all that came out that I didn't have to scrub hard. That opens nice and easy now. Done. So I hope you enjoyed my quick and easy way of cleaning a dirty old smoker. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, why not subscribe? I got a bunch of variety coming up on different projects I'm working on, not the least of which is the beekeeping. But speaking of the bees, it's raining, it's cold, it's wet. They're smart, warm, and inside. I'm gonna do the same thing. So thanks for watching.